Hello, first log into your Papa Vault account and navigate to Projects. You can provide the GitHub repository URL manually or select from the repository list. Click Select Repository. Click Create Project. Now add an environment to the project. Click on Add Credentials. You can add a credential file or specify manually. You can specify the file name and the sync location path. The file will be created with the given name in the given project path when sync credentials. Now let's go to VSCode and install Papa Vault extension. Log into Papa Vault account from the extension. Select the environment you want to sync. All the secret files specified in the environment will be created in the VSCode project automatically. You have successfully created your first credential sync with Papa Vault. Thanks for watching.